Tingnan nyo yung patatim na yan, napaka-solid guys. Meron palang ganitong pangmalakasan na kainan dito sa Porac, Pampanga. Kung saan nagsaserve sila ng mga classic Filipino favorites, meron din namang mga burgers and fries, desserts, and cocktails. Dito yan sa Aku Gastropub, open daily from 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. pag Mondays to Thursdays at hanggang midnight naman kapag weekends. Maluwag yung parking area at alfresco yung dining. Meron din sila nitong mga freebies since malapit na yung first year anniversary nila. We were invited to try out their specialties at inuna namin ay itong kani salad. At kung palaging ganito kasarap yung salad, hindi kayo mahihirapang pakainin ng gulay yung mga anak nyo. Meron din tayo nitong nachos na loaded sa toppings and cheese sauce, perfect for sharing and pika-pika. After nun, nag-order din tayo ng mga soup. Ito yung sinigang na salmon, lightly fried yung fish para hindi malansa, at tamang-tama yung asim. Ito naman yung bulalo. This time, ako naman yung kumuha ng bone marrow kasi lagi na lang si mama eh. And diba, pag dinner talaga, you can never go wrong with either sinigang or bulalo kasi very comforting. Ito naman yung kalderetang kambing. Nakita nyo naman, kompletos recados at may konting spice. I mean girl, kung hindi rin lang ganito yung kaldereta mo, salamat na lang sa lahat. Nag-order ako nitong Milo Dinosaur at hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya kalaki. It's very milky and chocolatey. Patok na patok yan sa kids. Up next natin ay itong pangmalakasan na patatim. Coincidence na yung kaldereta and patatim parehong specialty yan ni Papa ha, pero parehong pasado sa kanya yung luto nila dito. Tamang-tama yung sweetness, hindi tinipid sa aromatics, and the sauce is very thick, mapapa-extra rice ka. Isunod naman natin yung crispy pata. Meron siya nung traditional na sausawan, pero natuwa ako na sinerve din nila siya with buro and mustasa on the side. First time ko yung tinry together and actually okay din pala. Isunod naman natin itong pinakbet with bagnet. Malasang-malasa yung pagkakaluto nito and I enjoyed it so much. Nag-take out ako niyan para kainin kinabukasan. Meron din tayo nitong chicken served on a sizzling plate na naliligo sa gravy. At para naman sa mga mahilig sa inihaw, marami rin sila niyan. Yung in-order namin ay itong grilled na liempo. Parang ensalada na yung dating niya kasi may kasamang onions, chilies, and cucumbers, pati yung dressing. Meron din itong crispy isaw para maiba naman at hindi palaging chicharong bulaklak yung ino-order nyo. This naman is their stir-fried na kangkong and tofu dish na very savory yung pagkakatimpla. And we also have this liempo with rice and egg drenched in that sweet, sticky, savory na parang barbecue sauce. But wait, there's more. Ito yung full rack ng barbecue ribs. It's tender, full of the bone, and flavorful. Feeling ko sobrang perfecto with a little bit of pickled vegetables on the side. And para naman dun sa mga hindi naghahanap ng uulamin sa rice, pwede nyo itry itong chicken burger. This is a little bit spicy, it's huge, satisfying, and served with some fries on the side. We also had some pizza. This is very cheesy and for me perfecto na paliguan ng maraming hot sauce. For drinks naman, marami silang refreshers and cocktails, at para naman sa dessert, sinubukan namin yung kanilang halo-halo. And it was the perfect way to end such a loaded meal. Yung mga dishes nila ang laki ng serving size, good for sharing, and reasonable yung prices. Perfect for families and big groups at nakikiter din sila. So sa lahat ng taga-Porac na naghahanap ng bagong food tripan, itry nyo na rin dito sa Aku Gastropub.